Hey guys, so today we're going to be preparing one of my all-time favorite drinks, a homemade ginger ale. Now ginger, as you know, is one of the most powerful foods on this planet. It helps with almost any stomach problem like nausea, heartburn, upset stomach, or even gas. And it improves that blood circulation. It even strengthens that immune system. Now, besides all these benefits, I love this drink because it tastes so good, better than any canned soda. So give this a try and you'll certainly be glad that you did. To start this ginger ale, you're gonna need a nice big piece of fresh ginger. Make sure it's plump with no wrinkles on it. And using a spoon, you're gonna peel off all of its skin. The skin is edible, but depending on how old the ginger is, it tends to get a bit bitter as it matures. Once it's all cleaned, you're gonna grate that root up all into tiny pieces. This part is what's gonna give you that nice and strong concentrate versus just boiling the root whole. The finer the grate, the stronger the taste, just remember that. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every week. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on them. Now, once that root is all grated up, this is all gonna go into a pot with some water. This is 4 cups of water going in. You're gonna bring this up to a boil and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Now, if you wanted to, you could sweeten this with some sugar, which you would add at this point to make a type of a syrup concentrate, but I'm skipping the sugar today and I'm gonna be sweetening this with honey. Now, if you do decide to sweeten this with honey, you're gonna add it at the end once the mixture cools, so the honey won't lose all of its components in the heat. Once it's been boiling for 10 minutes and becomes this deep amber color, you're gonna go ahead and then strain out all of the liquid from the pulp. After the mixture has slightly cooled and is no longer piping hot, go ahead and add 3/4 cups of honey and sweeten this to your liking. This concentrate is going to be added to water, so keep that in mind while you're mixing this in. Now that all this ginger mix is ready, I'm going to be pouring this into an empty container, and this could be stored in your fridge for up to 5 days. Now let's go ahead and make some ginger ale. Pour 1/4 of your cup full of this rich, pungent syrup and finish it off with either your favorite mineral water or club soda. This homemade ginger ale is so smooth and delicious. Also try adding this to a large pitcher of ice water and serve this up at your next dinner party. Now, if soda's not your thing, there's many other ways to enjoy this. Add a bit of this honey ginger concentrate to a mug with a slice of fresh lemon. Top this off with some hot water, and I'm telling you guys now, there is no other drink more soothing than this. Lastly, try it out as my all-time favorite nighttime drink. This is a hot cup of almond milk with a sprinkle of turmeric powder. Add a bit of this ginger concentrate and you have the most delectable golden milk. This drink, you guys, without a doubt will make you sleep like a baby. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to try it out and leave your comment down below. I want to thank everybody so much for watching and wishing you all good health and happiness.